Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Drisha World. Well, this is yet another bucket list in my life. Guess where I am? I am at the Illuminati Tour Mumbai concert and I'm so happy and so excited. It is at Mahalakshmi Race Course and the crowd is crazy over here. अभी तक शुरू नहीं हुआ है. I think it's somewhere around 7ish right now. And I'm waiting for my friends. Everybody is coming. It's a working day. So very excited. I didn't get the time to probably record my outfit or something. लेकिन मैं आपको ज़रूर बताऊँगी. Alright guys, it's 7:20 and still waiting at the main gate because हमारे passes जो है वो हमारी best friend तेजिंदर के पास है जो आई नहीं है अभी तक. लेकिन एक बंदी आ गई है यहाँ पे. She's so excited. She loves Diljit. She knows all his songs by heart. She knows. She was so excited. She was the one who said we have to wear Patiala, Paranda and all the Punjabi jewelry and all. क्या आप देखना चाहेंगे कौन है वो? One and only. Of course, you all have seen her on my channel. Anzi. Anzi, what do you have to say about the concert?
Pretty excited.
Really?
Yeah, I am.
What are you gonna listen?
Whatever he says. Yeah. I'm also excited.
Which is your favorite song?
I love you, Lava.
You like Lava? And
Has is also good, but
yeah. I don't know why she has an accent suddenly, but हो जाता है कभी.
What do you shock her? Hi guys, what's up? I have taken over Julie's mobile phone while she's doing something. So yeah, let me utilize this time and I'm not a walker, but okay, let me try. This is a crowd, you can see. हमारे passes अभी तक आए नहीं है, so we're just waiting for it. And here she is. Just look at her. हाँ, I'm taking you. Because मैं ऐसा पीछे ले रही थी ना मैं.
Then you can shut it and then you can change that and then you put it on music. It will be more clear.
नहीं. Chiluisha, so chichi.
Guys, these friends who don't know vlogging, look at the angles here. This is what I'm wearing. Ripped jeans, nice comfy top, small bag. I've done my hair. I've got this earring. Okay, she's changed the angle. Okay. Beautiful, man. Finally, we went out. Here, I've got my pass and जो मोहतरमा के पास पास था हमेशा ऐसे करती है हमेशा. You can see how I feel for her on my face. There she is.
I'm walking since half an hour.
Yeah. Say something. Say something.
What? No bus.
ये लड़की भी आई है एमएड से. मैं कहीं और से आई हूँ. You know what it is? आप समझते हो ना? आप ही बोलिए कुछ. Obviously, you have to take your spot. That's the whole point. Okay, so now I have the fourth member and. You know guys, आप लोग लगता है इसको इतना क्या हंसी आ रहा है इतना छोटी बात में. लेकिन हमारा केमिस्ट्री एक दूसरे का शक्ल देख के हंसी आ जाता है. आप लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा लेकिन फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप से समझ में आएगा. The fourth member is I already
दिलजीत.
दिल तेनू दे दिता मैं सोनिया जान तेरी कदमां च रखी होई है मरना मैं तेरियां बाहां च चलवे सो तेरे प्यार दी मैं
No, I don't care about that. तू मुझे कबूल, मैं तुझे कबूल, तू मुझे कबूल, मैं तुझे कबूल। ओ इस बात का गवाह खुदा, खुदा गवाह, खुदा गवाह, पता नहीं शायद 10 साल हो गए गाना आए हुए, लेकिन रोना उसका आजकल सबसे ज्यादा है। वही गाना आपकी नजर, हालांकि ये तो मुंबई है, राइट? मुंबई, यहाँ तो फिल्मों में बड़े गाने, बड़े शराब पे बड़े गाने। मैं किसी आर्टिस्ट का वैसा नाम लेना नहीं चाहता, उनके गानों का नाम नहीं लेना चाहता। आई डोंट वांट, मैं वैसा, मेरे ना तो मेरे मन में है ना मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। आप लोगों को ज्यादा पता है कितने गाने बनते हैं बॉलीवुड में, लेकिन मेरे गाने का रौला आजकल सबसे ज्यादा है। जिस गाने का रौला सबसे ज्यादा है आपकी नजर, वही गाना। अब तू गया क्या भूल गया होले, और किसे पे डुल गया होले। You know, सीने च दिल बार होया, you know, नी लक दा शिकार होया, you know, तेरे को पहला कोई भी नहीं, you know, नी पहली बारी कार होया, you know, मैं तेनू कितना प्यार करदा, you know, मैं तेरे उत्ते कितना मरदा, you know, तेरे लिए मैं तो पिंड छड्डदा, you know, तेरे लिए लोकां नाल लड़दा, you know, तेरे लिए स्टाइल लड़ाई, you know, तेरा नाम खाया बंदे, you know, you know, सारे बंदे, you know, तेरी गल कर गई, you know, मेरे वाले कर गई, you know, जब तुम मुझसे ना खड़ गई, you know, मैं लोगों के पास सड़ गई, you know, कोई साथी जीवना लड़ा विच लगदे नहीं आएगा, और जिंदगी जवाब और टुकड़ियां धरती रोटी है आकाश, फोकस यार रूह दे उत्ते रखे आपकी वास, हुण च उबाल जिवें आके आकाश, भुलनियां जड़े नी तू और हड्डियां दे गल करे सीगा दी सीगा, जट दा सरे दी खुदी चीगा
I'm the fires in the trees, baby. You're the lights and I'm the wheels, baby.
तेरा भी है दिल सब जानदा, तू जो मिले जापे कोई हारदा, लाल होया रंग आसमान दा, रूप जिवें निखरी रकांदा, जिथे जिथे जावे पैर रख दिया, सोहणीए बर्फ वांगू ठाणे गभरू, मंग ले जे दिल लेना चाहुंदी ऐ, हस हस सूली उत्ते चाढ़े गभरू, मंग ले जे दिल लेना चाहुंदी ऐ, हस हस सूली उत्ते चाढ़े गभरू।
I'm gonna take your breath away, but don't stop running to me, 'cause I will hold you baby, but you're my ocean,
ओ बीच उत्ते गुट्ठू विच वाई नहीं, होवे दोवे पासे कोराई नहीं, और रूप तेरा पप च ना कर गया, सांदे आप दस तेरे प्यार की बेचती हुई है, मेरा भी है दिल सब जानता, तू जो मेरी जापे कोई हारदा, पूरा रंग आसमान दा, रटदी ओ मरियम लगदी
Guys, the song for which I'm here. Song that I love.
तुझको हुआ है सोनिए तुझको हुआ है नशा है थोड़ा मजा है सोनिए तेरा ना कहना नहीं असी तेरा मुख ना देखते रहना तेरी है ना इश्क दे तेरे रूह को तेरा ना कहना नहीं असी तेरा मुख ना देखते तेरी है ना इश्क दे Oh,
Hi guys, and now the real experience that we've had. Okay, I'm not sure कोई और बात कर रहा है कि नहीं इस बारे में, but मैं ज़रूर आप लोगों से शेयर करना चाह रही हूँ. What I felt, what my experience was. Expectations मेरे मेरे ऐसे कुछ थे नहीं खास, जो यूजुअल होते हैं कॉन्सर्ट और इवेंट्स अटेंड करने के लिए वो ही था. And but जो हुआ, that wasn't something that I was expecting. Neither were any of my friends expecting so, because particularly हम ऐसे events बहुत attend करते हैं, and we've been to the best of the parties, we've been to the best of the events, we have bought the best of the tickets, and so it all depends on the artist, it all depends on the venue, आपको कौन से category के tickets लेने हैं, क्या है, and all of that thing. So दिलजीत concert के लिए हमने ली थी silver. Now it has never really made a difference in the past. What is the category of ticket that we've probably taken. There's a whole point, of course, you're more closer to the artist, you're more closer to the stage, you can view and all of that thing. But it has never been this far ever. कभी भी नहीं हुआ है ऐसे. So it is the usual stuff, silver, gold, and then there is fan pit and everything. Fan pit का सवाल उठता ही नहीं है because it is way expensive. अभी तक तो हम वो level पे पहुंचे नहीं है, पहुंचेंगे कभी. But that there has to be an artist like that जहाँ पे fan pit लेने का मन करे हमें. अब सबसे पहले the event was at महालक्ष्मी race course, okay, and मैं late हो गई थी इसलिए I traveled by train, I think, which was a very very wise decision because I reached in no time. And जैसे ही आप I think station से बाहर निकलते हो, 3-4 steps and they had opened up the gates and there was a lot of direction and lights and everything. The setup was very nice and everybody was there only for Diljit's concert. So you had to walk towards the ground and it was a good enough walk. मतलब काफी 15-20 मिनट की walk थी. हमने इतना envision नहीं किया था कि कितना crowd होगा. Turns out now that the event is over and the numbers and stats are out, photos are there. There were a total of 62,000 people at the concert, at the event. I don't think so. हम लोग ये सोच के गए थे that there would be so many people and there would be so much crowd. We have attended crowded events, but maybe I think this was the largest of the crowd that we've been to. And अब वो अंदर जाने के लिए भी जो है, it took us nearly another 10 minutes of walk. Like we could see the stage, but it's a race course and it is very far away, right? So लोग भाग रहे हैं, चल रहे हैं, जिसको घाई है, जो भी कुछ कर रहा है. Once we got inside, did we realize that the stage was so far? The stage was so far. There was so much crowd in between. और हमने सिल्वर ली थी जो सबसे पीछे होती है. और उसका मतलब ये कि हमें जो भी दिखेगा that would only be seen on the screen. Trust me, मैंने उसका head भी नहीं देखा. I have not seen Diljit's head as well, from my naked eye. मतलब he was that far. So that was a bummer, absolute bummer. Usually अगर आप आर्टिस्ट को देख नहीं पा रहे हो, at least over the screens you see, that can give you the feel and everything. Now screens भी जो लगे हुए थे, in my opinion, I do not know about others, I felt they were vertical and they were quite small. They could have been bigger. When you're anticipating a crowd of 62,000, you can't have such small screens. Or honestly speaking, with the naked eyes also, it was not very clearly visible. और कैमरा में तो क्या ही कैप्चर हो रहा है वो तो आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. आई एम श्योर आप लोगों ने देखा ही होगा कि कितना कुछ हम कर पाए. दिस लिटरली नथिंग दैट आई सॉ ऑफ हिम. सो आई डिड नॉट फील कनेक्टेड एट ऑल, दैट आई वाज एट दिलजीत दोसांझ कॉन्सर्ट. फिर भी सिंस वी आर यूज्ड टू क्राउड, आई जस्ट टोल्ड माय फ्रेंड्स, लुक गाइस, लेट्स ट्राई एंड मेक वे एंड ट्रेड आवर पाथ अहेड. तो कुछ करते 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 क्राउड से गुजरते गुजरते आप लोगों ने देखा ही होगा हम आगे गए. नाउ वी literally at the railing of the silver, where the silver stand begins. Trust me, we were still very far. We were so far कि वहां से भी मुझे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. स्क्रीन से हाँ हम नजदीक आ गए थे all of that thing, but then you're like literally looking at top and doing something like that. हम लोग जो है we love dancing यार, we love दिल खोल के डांस करना, and this whole point why we go to these events is just to dance our heart out. And we all love Diljit's songs, a lot of it we love. और मुझे पंजाबी गाने भी बहुत पसंद है. So अब हम आगे पहुंच गए, आगे से भी हमें कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है. In this मिलू one of my friends got stranded और हम 3 लोग अलग थे और एक वो कहीं और पे था and all that thing. So first half went like that only in figuring out. मेरे बहुत सारे favorite songs थे जो बज रहे थे और मैं डांस नहीं कर पा रही थी. So that is I think for me, I think anybody who's going to these events, you know, who really wants to enjoy, and if you don't give that, that's a bumming experience. और मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा है कि मैं दिलजीत के कॉन्सर्ट में गई थी और I have seen दिलजीत और I think I rather enjoy his songs on YouTube और YouTube पे जो कॉन्सर्ट्स चल रहे हैं और या फिर YouTube पे उसके जो songs आते हैं I enjoy that more than what I experienced here. And this is in the history first time ever that I've not been satisfied with a concert at all. Now in all of that हमने डिसाइड किया कि हमें डांस करना है, भले भी दिख नहीं रहा है क्या करे. हम वापस पीछे गए. We were like literally at the fag end of the crowd. So like literally जो exit area है वहाँ पे हम थोड़ी space मिली and then of course breathing wise also it was much better. And people were like literally stuck together and they were okay with it. They were okay with not moving. Maybe I do not know. I think सबका अलग अलग होता है. We were not for sure. Another thing that I really think could have been much better are the sound systems. It's okay if you are not at the far, you are not closer to the stage. You have to be mindful कि अगर इतने सारे लोग आ रहे हैं, आपका sound system has to be strong. Just being loud doesn't mean it's a great sound system. It needs to give you that feel, it needs to give you that experience, it needs to, give you that extra thing that you don't feel when you're listening to music on the phone or some device. And then when you are personal, कुछ अलग तो होना चाहिए कि नहीं उसमें. So sound system was, मुझे लगता है अगर अच्छा sound system होता, then I wouldn't have been as disappointed as I am right now. Screen कितने छोटे थे वो तो मैंने आपको बता ही दिया क्या था. And the show was from like 7 to 10. I think he made entry only at 8:30 and then there was intermission as well. So technically अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ, I think he came and he sang for like 1 hour, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. That's it in total. वो breaks मैंने सब निकाल दिए and whatever in between songs जो breaks होते वो भी मैंने निकाल दिए. So this is how the experience have been. I know a lot of silver folks were disappointed over there. They did not enjoy. It's nothing to do with Diljit. I think it's got to do with the management, the way it was dealt and handled with. To all the people who are in silver, I feel you. But you know what? I spoke with a lot of folks who were there on ground, who had bought gold tickets as well. And even they felt the stage was very far and they could hardly see. There was a lot of crowd. So I'm not too sure why are we paying so much to not get any experience or feeling of seeing an artist, of experiencing an artist, of enjoying the art that he brings. So I don't think so that's worth it at all. This is just my personal view because music is very important for me and these events are very important for me. They've given me one of the best memories of my lives. So मेरा enjoy करना बहुत ही important होता है और ये सारी चीज़ें मेरे लिए मायने रखती है. I'm not sure what others have to say. I would love to hear your views. आप लोग का experience कैसा था in silver, in gold? Fan pit also, if you have seen the videos, that also was like very far from the stage. How do you connect with the artist? I just don't understand. How is it that these decisions are even made? Diljit, with earnest request and appeal, you have to think for your fans. I know you got nothing to do with the management and infrastructure and logistical stuff and all of that things. But I think you really need to step in, especially when you're expecting a crowd of 65,000. It's not a small crowd. And your fans are there for the experience to connect with you. And if they are not getting, I don't think so ki you can be away from the decision making of this process. You definitely need to influence and ensure that everybody gets an amazing experience. Whatever they are there for, they get what they are there for because these tickets are very expensive. And then to the worst part, जब concert खत्म हुआ उसके बाद we all literally had to walk 40-45 minutes towards the station or to just get out of the venue. I don't think so कि once you've been at a concert where you have intended to enjoy और आपने dance किया हो, then you are ready for a walk of another 40-45 minutes, outside just to go out at the main road and everything. So again, I think it's got to do with the management, the way I'm not sure what all is available in Mumbai. Maybe they try to do the best from whatever they had. But what's the point of doing it if you are not making others happy. If the people who are there, they are not happy, what's the point of it? Having said that, I know there are a lot of fans जिनको ये सब चीज़ों का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, and you know they would just be happy by being there. To each their own. I mean, good for you if you feel that way. But personally, for me, I think if I am there, I really need to connect and enjoy every moment of it, and not just waste my first half into identifying a spot, place, मैं कहाँ जाऊँ, कहाँ खड़ी रहूँ, कहाँ से दिखेगा, and सांस आ रही है नहीं आ रही, all of those things. These are not the experiences that I personally like, and I'm sure nobody would like. So this is just my honest experience. I would love to know how is it that you Mumbai folks, felt about the whole experience. And having said that, I think we love all the songs and will continue to do so. But I think there definitely has to be better decision making at the infrastructure and crowd management and the experience that you're giving to people who are taking time out, pains. Some of the girls flew from Delhi, to be here. I mean, ये events में बहुत ही amazing चीज होती है that you talk with a lot of strangers. Everybody's united by music, and you get to know a lot of views of them. So I think people are really investing so much to be there. I don't think so you can compromise on the quality of experience that you're giving to your fans. So that's what I would like to end on. For me personally, I would say that over the screen, I would have enjoyed this more than being there personally. And likewise, for all my friends who were with me, I think this was the first time. Normally, हम कौन से बाहर निकलते हैं, we are so happy, excited, and everybody's singing in the crowd and people are cheering, and there's a sense of satisfaction like wow, yaar, maza aa gaya. I'm not sure whether that happened. That's it. I would like to leave you all on that. Let me know how your experience was, and also other cities mein kaisa raha. I think it's got to do with better management. There has to be a better management at this. And if you think that you appreciate my honest opinion and view, and I'm definitely not the ones to give you sugar-coated ones just because I would be a big fan of somebody, please do hit the bell button, like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Juisha World now. Bye. Take care.
दिल तेनू दे दिता मैं सोनिया जान तेरी कदमां च रखी होई है मरना मैं तेरियां बाहां च चलवे सो तेरे प्यार दी मैं